National dish of Gambia, Benachin. Ingredients: these are all ingredients you can easily find in your local supermarket. Place the chicken and beef in a bowl. Slit the chicken pieces, so it can absorb the seasoning faster. Season the meat with salt, black pepper, garlic, and vinegar. Set aside for 30 minutes. Heat the oil in a large pot. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Turn the chicken, making sure it is brown on both sides. Remove the chicken and set it aside. Now, fry the beef until golden brown. Add the diced onions. Cook until brown. Do not burn it. Add the chopped tomatoes. Put in the tomato puree. Stir. Add the minced hot peppers. Continue stirring. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Pour in 6 cups of water. And bring to a boil. Add the fried chicken. Be careful. Put the cabbage. The squash or pumpkin. 1 large chopped eggplant. A carrot slice in 4 pieces. 2 bay leaves. 3 Maggi cubes. Salt to taste. And cook for a few minutes. Take the veggies and chicken out of the pot, and set them aside. Put 3 cups of basmati rice in the pot. One sliced red bell pepper. Stir and let the rice cook until it is tender. Fluff the rice using a fork. Plate and serve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification button.